Oh, good. I'm catching a little bit of it on video.
Yeah?
So, the best I can, yeah. I'm just keeping it trained, and you can see some of it.
Let's just go outside.
Sure, if someone can open the window for me. Oh, yeah, I just caught one.
Whoa, it just jumped.
Oh man, I missed it again. It's warm out here.
It is. It's going to be a warm day today.
Look at the dolphin, so cool.
It jumped over a wave.
They're eating something.
Jumped over a wave.
Birds
Yeah,
are
so-
too. They're all hanging out right now before the dolphins on the beach.
Yeah. Oh, there's so many.
I don't know which ones to look at.
I'm catching it.
I am. Thursday's the warmest day and the happiest day for the dolphins and for us. That's just pretty cool. At least we get to see them before we leave.
I'm just focusing on those two.
They're
Yeah.
so neat.
Birds are catching.
Oh, there's 3.
Yeah. There's quite a few. Boy, do we not have the best spot?
Whoa,
I caught it on video.
Look at that.
Yay!
They're
Saw
eating.
it.
That was cool.
That's awesome.
It's not photos.
I sure did.
Okay, good.
I sure did. Yeah, I see. I'm catching it all.
Woo.
Yeah, I got it.
That was, they jumped right out of the water, sorry.
Oh, woo, woo.
They're chasing something.
Oh,
Saw it.
best spot in the house.
Yep.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
look at them all.
1, 2, 3. There's 4 of them.
I know.
Wow. And there's one right there, and right there, there,
They're
and there.
so close.
And a cute.
All right, I'm gonna wrap up this. I sure did.